What's up, everybody? This is Leon once again, and today we're going to be looking at the V-Color DDR4 8 gigabit RAM stick and the Kingston 240 gigabit SSD hard drive. It's not a hard drive, it's a solid state drive. See what I did there? Okay, so pretty much with these, it is what it is. This is going to be the shortest video ever. This is your RAM, DDR4. It's going to go in our computer. This is your SSD drive. It's going to go in the computer. If you want prices on those, check out the description. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Peace out.